Hey everybody, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about my Capstone project real quick. Basically, I'm going to be taking a project manager role. I'm going to be working with the J.M. Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge. It's located in my hometown of Sanibel, Florida, and it's one of the top refuges in the country. They receive over 800,000 visitors a year, so they're a very popular tourist destination, but they're kind of lacking in the technology and interactive department. So what I would like to do is coordinate the creation of an interactive trail. Now this would involve using one of their nature trails they already have in place, but we want to place 8 to 10 signs along the way that will have QR codes printed on them. And when visitors are walking the trails and they see one of these signs, they can scan it with their phone and instantly be linked to a YouTube video with a park ranger talking a little bit about the area. And it's basically like having a little tour guide right in their pocket. So the visitors can have a self-guided tour, explore the area at their own pace, and it sort of creates sort of a game-like element in the park that brings in a new type of visitor who maybe are a little bit more tech-savvy. So basically what I'll be doing is I'll be overseeing the planning process and work with the clients to decide the layout of the trail and the location of the signs. I'm going to coordinate the production of the videos under a budget and under a strict time restraint, and kind of get all of those details worked out. I also probably help edit the videos and post them online and generate the actual QR codes so that we can post them on the signs. Why I want to do this, I really want to improve my knowledge of interactive mobile trends and how they are implemented in a real-world setting. And I also want to develop my project management skills and challenge myself to implement a large-scale interactive project within a tight budget and time frame. It's interactive because it utilizes mobile technology that people carry around with them. It creates an interactive element in the park that encourages users to explore the area and learn more about the certain spots with their handheld devices. QR codes, you can kind of read this yourself, but basically they're just the barcode-like graphic that can be used to link to online data. They were big in Asia, they still are, but they're just starting to catch on in the US, so we're seeing more and more of them used in marketing and also in tourism. I noticed a few examples online of a New York City trail called Gotham Guide that allows people to explore downtown New York in certain spots, and when they come upon a QR code they can scan it and learn a little bit about that building or that area. And another place that was using it was Long Beach Peninsula. They had very similar signs. You may have saw a picture of it earlier in the presentation, but those were outdoor signs that had QR codes and did pretty much the same thing, link people to more information and more multimedia content about the area. For the month of February, this is just real quick, my timeline. I want to just make the final arrangements with the timeline and get the schedule worked out. I want to begin my background research of QR codes and how other refuges are using them. I want to coordinate all the video needs, the equipment, the talent, the script. I'll be working remotely, so I need to be talking with the client pretty often over the phone and through email. And I'm eventually going to plan a flight to Florida probably at the end of February or early March to get this filming worked out. In March, I'll be doing the video shoot on location of the rangers explaining the locations and giving fun facts. So that's when we'll actually be doing the video shoot. We may even film a separate tour catered towards children, but that's if I have more time later. I'll also be doing a lot of the post-production during March of the videos. They're just going to be small 2 to 3 minute videos that will be pretty simple, but they'll be branded and look very polished. And I'll post them to YouTube and also generate the codes and design the trail signs that will actually be placed in the park or in the refuge. In April, I'll just work out the final signage details, just kind of figure out the cheapest way for us to construct these. I'll finalize the trail arrangements and set a date for construction and also prepare my presentation for Elon. In May, hopefully the tour will be launched and I'll assist with any promotional details. Some possible further work would be a QR tour for kids. I mentioned that earlier. And then maybe QR tours in different languages maybe even an interactive map showing the locations, and maybe even some different videos with some more B-roll and content. So that's basically what I want to do. Obviously, I'm not here right now, but if you guys have any questions, shoot me an email, and I'll be back to class next week. Hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I'll see you soon.